Cs2186. Ooh, it's freaking cold in here. Rebuilding. Just got some fuel line, fuel filter. I'm pretty sure it's the Sten's part number on the fuel line, 5913750201. Fuel filtre, 5913750401. Got 2 packs of fuel line, so let's get into it. Hopefully it warms up. Got the stove kicking, fan just come on. I do run that wide open, so it's not getting cold spots in the pipe. Less creosote buildup, the more you know. Anywho, fan's starting to pick up, starting to warm up. All right. So, fuel line, stuff like that. I already did one vent line, I believe. I'm going to go ahead and do the crank seals today. I actually need to go get a toothbrush because I want to clean this up. So I'll be back. Remove it, but I can't hold it still, so I'm gonna have to do that one when I put the cylinder back on and put a piston stop in. So I figured I might be able to do the clutch side now. So let's see if I can do that. Okay. Like it. Where is it stuck? I think I have a brake on. I guess I do. Ammo. No. Oh, let's shoot this across the room, won't you? Move this E-clip. Let me turn the fan off. Fan helps circulate the air across the stove, heat the garage up, but I understand it's hard to hear sometimes. Come on, yeah. I don't know what these are, hog ring pliers? Probably. Yeah. Oh, come on. I can sometimes do the hardest things. One over here somewhere. You see it? Yeah, there it is. The hardest things, the easiest way. Man, that is nasty. The hardest things, the easiest. Sometimes do the hardest things. Yeah, that's what I want to say. Bearings right out again. Oh. I might not even be able to. What does that say? Off that direction. Well. We meet again. I have to make a hula. Get that off very well. Because the 455 only has, you can use the adjustable wrench. A couple of them. To get them off. Well, I struggled long enough. I'll check back in when I got something. I just wanted to say I've never had a flywheel pop off that easy. In my life, I've never. Usually got to 3-jaw it or 2-jaw it or, you know, do the damn thing. We'll get this cleaned up and then we'll. Oh, this is a custom tool I had made. Look at that. It's not really custom. It's a 3/4 drive, 1 7/16" that I cut out to fit the clutch. Not ideal, but you know, that was already broke, and make use of what I got. Well, that PB blaster didn't soak down in the crank, so I don't think that seals bad. But I have them, and I'm going to do them. It is up to 76 degrees in here. Very well, very well. Gas kit from the Duke, or Traverse Saw Shop. Now what you can do is run a drywall screw down in it and force the seal to go up the threads of the drywall screw, which is what I am going to do. Are you watching? Very good. Now I ain't got drywall screws, but I do have the other screws. Come on. Why'd you shoot crooked? Alright, she just do. Take a pair of side covers, pull her out. Pull it out. Yep. And we'll try her on the other side first. Oh, now you want to do that. Oh. Don't mind if I do. Come on. Yep. Like it? That way is not really recommended because you can destroy the bearing doing that. And get out the little shavings there. Drop a little Labruski down there. Wipe out the seal retaining lip. Motor roll. Here. And then we'll put a little seal all around the lip of the outside. Just give her a little pump up there. Run her down. Yep, just like that. I'll wipe my hands off because now I have Hyway, actually Rotella T65W 4030. Then we'll put a little seal on. Not seal, motor seal. Oh, I'm getting my things done, and we'll find a socket that fits that. Deep well, probably 15 mil, 14 mil. Do I have one laying there? I do. Yeah, 16, 5/8. No idea what this is. It's a Taiwan something. I don't know. That's good. Anywho, put a little seal all around the lip. Outside lip. The lip. Whoa, settle down now. It just prevents outside leaks. Don't need much, okay? Which, that's way too much. Whoa, don't be running away. And we'll give her a little tap-a-rooski. Clean the hands for the 50th time. And just put her back home. Try to stay on the edges. Just like that. Alright, so I've had it. I've literally put a breaker bar on this and stood on it and put all my weight on it. I cannot get this clutch to move. I really do not want to do this, but I do not have a choice. I'm just going to hit it a couple times. Reverse thread. That was pretty. Milwaukee for the win. We'll get all this shit cleaned up. Do the seal. After I take the oil pump and stuff off. Okay. Shouldn't need this for a little bit. We're at to strap the front to the bottom of the table. Very nice. Okay. And the show goes on. Now the reason I said I really didn't want to do that with the Milwaukee, because could have flung the ratchet off, put it in the OSB above, or I could have broke the crank. You never know in them situations what can or could happen. So I need to get this oil pump off. Get this. Yeah, I don't know about that. Oh, come on now. I'm losing my tools. There's a little O-ring there. I don't have that kit. So I'll just probably put a little moto seal on her. Because the oil pumper actually runs off the inside of it. Off that right there. It just keeps spinning around. This is just held on by force of the clutch. Yeah, so let's just get in it. Oh, there we go. Well, I got the oil pump off, cleaned out. That is not the right seal that I have. Or help me understand. Looks like it's got A15. A15L 2533.4. 2533.4. Let me write that down. So I'm gonna have to do some checking, I guess. Alright, so I got that seal out. Obviously it's way bigger. So I have to wait on some more parts, I guess. I can put this back together. So I'll see y'all on the next one, I guess.